Hey guys, so I have the GoPro dual charger with the Enduro batteries. This is a pack that I recently purchased for my GoPro Hero 10. This works with both the Hero 10 as well as the Hero 9 for the batteries. These are the Enduro batteries, which are supposed to be longer lasting. This entire pack costs $47.99 from GoPro if you have the GoPro annual subscription. Otherwise, if you don't have the subscription, it's $59. The other options are to just get one individual battery, which would be $24 without the subscription. It's $19.99 with. And if you want a 2-pack of just the batteries without the charger, that would be $39 without the subscription, and with the subscription it's $31.99. So you do get a little bit of a savings. So if you have the subscription, I think it's definitely worth taking in those savings. My main reason for purchasing was just that with the GoPro I only had one battery, and realistically it felt like after an hour or an hour and a half of even on-off recording, not even the total record time, it seemed to kind of need to be charged. So I'm hoping that these will work better. As well as the other issue I had was that whenever I would try to charge the battery inside of the GoPro, it felt like the entire system would get hot. And there were times, because in previous GoPro generations you could just plug in to the USB-C port and the battery was locked under the side and would charge okay. But now the entire side is open, and there have been occasions where I've plugged it in thinking it's charging, but because it's no longer closed, where it's putting pressure on the battery itself to make contact with the contact points, it's happened where it's not charged at all, and I've just wasted time having it plugged in. But yeah, with this pack I'm hoping that'll be useful. So this is just going to be an unboxing, not necessarily a review of the batteries, but this is what the box shows. Again, compatible with the Hero 10 Black as well as the Hero 9 Black. On the back, kind of just reiterates the things, the benefits of conveniently being able to charge 2 GoPro batteries. Overall, the Enduro batteries are supposed to offer up about 40% better battery life than the regular batteries, as well as being more temperature stable, so they can work in more harsh environments, including if you're doing more things outdoors, both in the heat or in the cold. So without further ado, let me see. It seems to be not going to be the prettiest of unboxings. Well, clearly not. But you open it up, get the instructions. Again, when it's green, it means that it's fully charged. When it's orange, it means it's charging. So good to know. But open this up, and here we have it. And you got the 2 batteries here, you got the charging dock there. It's nice that they provide a cable, although what I've noticed is so far GoPro primarily provide the dual USB-C to USB-A cables. I think we're kind of reaching a point where I think it would be nice just to have purely USB-C to USB-C, but not a big deal. I'm sure many of us have those lying around or are already using them. Let's see, here's the batteries. So again, look exactly the same, but you can tell the difference because these have the white top and bottom instead of the typical blue that come with the standard batteries. And here's the charger. So with that out of the way, and again, so this is the entire charging part. So again, well, for a demonstration, let's take these batteries out. At least take one of them out. Now, GoPro does recommend using their own supercharger for having the fastest performance for charging the batteries, but it does not come with the charger. And so I'm sure if you plug this into one of the bricks that's of higher charging speed, it should still work. So, but that is something where I'm not entirely sure if having not having the GoPro branded supercharger is the only way to kind of have that fast charging. But pretty much these, okay, so actually they fit in pretty nicely. Just yeah, it's fit in pretty nicely. It doesn't come out all that easy. So it seems like it's mostly just by force it's kind of staying in, but that's good. And having those indicators is always nice because then you'll be able to tell if it is charging or not. But I think that's really about it. Again, you have the cable here, so you can use that, or I imagine any other USB-C cable. The bottom has kind of this rubbery material, so I think you'd be able to put it on a top without it kind of sliding around. So that's always nice. But yeah, there you have it. This is what the GoPro dual Enduro charger looks like, and kind of what's inside the box. And I think that's really about it. So hopefully I'll put this to use. I'm hoping to start getting some more automotive content, and this is going to be a part of it. I'm going to start making some more videos about my car, as well as a new car that hopefully is coming soon, and kind of take it from there. But this is Naptown Fizzle. Peace out.